In today's video, you're going to discover the essential post-workout recovery techniques that can enhance your fitness journey and help you achieve your goals more efficiently. All right, bet. Many people overlook the importance of recovery, leading to prolonged soreness, fatigue, and even injury, which can hinder your fitness progress. I've seen it time and time again. People push themselves to the limit only to be sidelined for a couple weeks before they take the time to recover properly. It's a vicious cycle, and one that can be easily avoided with the right strategies. When you neglect recovery, you're not giving your body the time it needs to repair and rebuild, which can lead to decreased performance, motivation, and let's be honest, who want to feel like they taking 2 steps forward just to take 3 steps back? Recovery is where the magic happens at people. It's where your body adapts to the demands you placing on it, and where you can make or break your fitness journey. The question is, how do you maximize your recovery and get back to performing at your best? One of the biggest mistakes people make is not listening to your body. If you're feeling pain, tired, sore, or just plain exhausted, it's cool to take a step back and reassess. You know what I'm saying? Don't push yourself to the point of injury, because trust me, it ain't worth it. Exploring various recovery methods including hydration, nutrition, stretching, and the benefits of tools like the foam roller or even a massage gun to maximize your recovery. We all know that staying hydrated is key, but you don't know that proper nutrition plays a huge role in recovery as well, right? Consuming the right foods, it can help reduce inflammation, promote muscle growth, and even improve your mood. And let's not forget about stretching. A good stretch can make all the difference in reducing muscle soreness and improving flexibility. Stretching is often overlooked aspect of recovery, but it's so important. Not only does it help reduce muscle soreness, but it can also improve the range of motion, reduce risk of injury, and even improving your posture. Now I know what you're thinking, I don't have time to stretch, but trust me, it's well worth it. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. You feel me? All right, foam rolling. It's another tool that can be super beneficial for recovery. It helps break up adhesions in a muscle, promoting blood flow, and even reducing muscle soreness. And let's not forget about the massage gun. It can help improve circulation, stimulating blood flow, and target areas potentially reducing inflammation and promoting faster healing. You know what I'm saying? The key takeaway here is that incorporating these recovery strategies into your routine can significantly reduce downtime and improve your overall performance. It's not about being lazy or taking shortcuts. It's about being smart and respecting your body limitations. You know what I'm saying? Listen to your body. Take the time to recover properly. You can perform at your best and achieve your fitness goals a lot faster. Trust me. When you prioritize recovery, you're not only improving your physical performance, but the mental game as well. You know what I'm saying? You feel more confident, more motivated, and empowered to take whatever fitness challenge comes your way. And that, my friends, is the ultimate goal. To sum it up, remember, recovery is just as important as the workout itself, and implementing these techniques will help you get there a lot faster. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on fitness tips and let me know what's your favorite recovery method. Peace. I'm out. Comment below.